Korte Suprema talaga ang makakaresolba sa Senate gridlock ayon kay former Senate President Franklin Drilon. May quorum din para kay Drilon noong Miyerkules nang mangyari ang kudeta. Legal ang mga aksyon ng tinaguriang Gatchalian Block nitong Miyerkules ayon kay former Senate President Franklin Drilon.
The acts of government officials are presumed to be valid until otherwise declared by the Supreme Court.
Sa On Point ng Bilyonaryo News Channel, iginiit ni Drilon na 12 senador lang ang kailangan para magkakorum at maideklarang bakante ang mga posisyon sa Senado. Base raw ito sa desisyon ng Korte Suprema sa Avellino versus Cuenco case noong 1949. Nangyari na rin anya ito noong SP pa siya at wala naman daw kumwestiyon sa quorum noon.
On March 5 of 2015, we conducted the Senate business with less than 30, with 12 senators and considered as a membership 17 out of 24. Why? Because of the 24 senators, I think 4 were abroad and I think 3 were under detention for the various offenses. And so we considered the membership of the Senate to be at 17 and therefore considered as a quorum 12.
Pero ibang usapin ang pagtatalaga ng Senate President. Sa ngayon, pro tempore at acting SP pa lang si Senator Win Gatchalian.
Why acting President? Because the Constitution requires majority of all the members of the Senate. So all members means 24. And the election of the Senate President must be supported by 13.
Naniniwala rin si former Senator Drilon na kinailangang resolbahin ni Senator Chis Escudero ang impasse sa Senado para sa kapakanan ng sambayanan. Mag-follow sa aming mga social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa pinakahuli at eksklusibong mga balita.